the essence of this video is you starting out a laundry stroke fashion shop. But I'm telling you that as time goes on, though I did it that way, but as time went on, I found out that I can't leave my first choice, which is the sewing, the fashion industry. I couldn't leave it because that's what I love doing. And as a woman, that's what I feel I want to do. But then I couldn't still leave my laundry business. I have to explore. I had to expand it more. And that is why you are seeing me where you are seeing me today. Okay. So, how did I start? When I started my fashion business, I finished learning at Idumota. I perfected my skills, but I needed to open a shop. And I told myself, fashion and laundry share almost the same equipment. Do you understand? I might start a laundry today and I have clients giving me clothes and they'll tell you, oh, please, can you help me fix the button? Oh, please, can you help me sew this place that is torn? That is the reason why you should have a sewing machine by the corner. Now, the fashion side, I must finish sewing and I need to iron. I can't be investing a big industrial iron just to be ironing my customers' clothes that I made. Though, because I'm just starting out, please, this my video is for those that might not actually be having the funds to start whatever business they want to start. So, what informed this video today is that I am a fashion designer. And the money I'm getting from my sewing, the patronage getting because I just started is low. And I have bills to pay. And I want to have a shop. It's not everybody that wants to start out from home. Okay? It's not everybody that wants to start out from home. So I decided to get a shop. How do I manage? How do I make sure that every year I'm able to pay my rent? How do I have target, I have set target for myself. Do you understand? How do I make sure that I get the things, the equipment I need? And I'm suggesting to you that one way to do that is have a laundry business side by side your fashion business. Let me tell you how that works. Now I have this space, a shop that I'm paid for. And when going into this kind of thing, please, if you know you are not going to take the risk of going out to a suburb where there's traffic, please don't do it. Don't have the mind. If you are in Lagos, come out. Don't say you are doing this kind of thing in the interiors of Agbara. Don't say you are doing this kind of things in the interiors of maybe where nobody knows. Make sure that you have looked around. Do people love laundry? Love to do laundry around? Visit the laundry shops around and see that they are having patronage. Now, let me tell you what you do. When you come to a place, I'm going to be using Lagos as an instance. When you come to a place like Agbara most times don't have lights. All the laundry there are doing well. When you come to Agbara, those kind of places don't have light. But there are some places, there are some laundry people that have access to water and light. It's just that they don't have that patronage. So you will look out for people like that. Do you understand? In my place, I have access to light. I have access to water. Okay, so processing my clothes was pretty cheap for me. So you look for people like me now. Somebody go say, I dey look for business. Yes, so I dey look for business. This is my YouTube channel. Anything I'm doing on this channel must give me money. If it's not giving me money, then I'm not doing it. So if you are looking for where to take your laundry clothes to, bring it to me. Or bring it to people like me. Look for people like me that have access to light and water, but they don't really have patronage. But even if they have patronage, come to them as if you are coming like a normal customer. Explain that, okay, I want to own a laundry shop, but I want to be bringing. At the end of this video, I'll be showing you the equipments you need to start this business I'm showing you. You know, I used to expose everything to you people. And so tell the person that you want to start up to be an agent to the person. Okay, be an agent that you will be bringing clients for, bringing jobs for him, so that he should reduce the price from the price he's charging people. But I will advise, before you do that, go there on a good day on your own to find out the person's prices. Do you understand? So because the person might end up increasing the price for you. So find out the person's real prices. Then you go back to that person and tell the person in your mind that you own a laundry shop, but you want to be bringing your job here to do. So all he does is you bring the clothes in bulk to the person like this. Okay, so when you bring this clothes in bulk to the person will wash, iron without bagging, and you come back and carry your thing the way he has ironed it back to your own shop. Okay, back to your own shop. Now when you get to your own shop, you will now be the one to process and hand over to the clients and charge whatever you want to charge. Now here is the game. When you want to start, you open a shop, be bold enough to make a laundry signboard, a catchy laundry signboard, signpost or so. Put it in front of your shop that this is a laundry shop. Okay, it's now when people enter, they will now see that, oh, you have a sewing machine. Now it's now when people see, as you're putting that laundry signpost, also carry your dummy or your mannequin, put it outside. The little money you make, always make catchy styles, the way I used to put it out on my channel. Make catchy styles and wear it on that mannequin. People do not understand, is this a laundry shop or is it where they sew? Now at this point, that's where I say don't reject any job as a fashion designer. Whoever walks into that place that sees mannequin and sees sewing machine and walks into that place, are you people doing laundry here? Tell the person, yes, I also sew, but I have people working for me in the laundry section. Do you understand? So if the person came to do clothes for laundry, collect it. You will be the one to, you, when starting out, you have a diary by the side, you have tagging paper, this, you have tagging gun, this, you have tagging pin, this. So when the customer brings clothes for laundry, you collect the clothes, collect the name, write receipt. If you don't have money to print receipt, please make sure you use plain sheet. Tear a plain sheet to look in this shape. Write whatever the person has given to you, write the total amount, give it to person to go away, give the person dates for collection based on what you have agreed with that laundry person. Do you understand? So now when you give the person the date, you will now work with that date. Instantly take the clothes that the person have given to you, write down, if the person's name is Okechukwu, Mr. Okechukwu, 3 packet shirts, 2 trousers, the way you have listed it, write it down. Now after writing it down, tag it with this pin the way you are seeing in this video. Now after tagging it, pack it and give to the person. Now you can decide to always wash it yourself and only take it for ironing. It makes it a lot easier. You understand? You can decide, soak it in the night, wake up in the morning, wash it by yourself, starch if you know how to starch. If you want me to teach you how to starch, both to process this local cassava starch where they smell, yes, you can process it and you will not hear any single odor from it. If you want me to teach you how to process local starch so it does not have odor to put in your clothes, let me know in the comment section. If you want me to teach you how to use sachet starch, this sachet starch that you know, this particular one, if you want me to show you how to use it, let me know also in the comment section. I will do a separate video for that. For you to do laundry, there's basically nothing. If you want me to still go ahead to teach you how to wash, I will show you. I will take you to my factory and I will show you how to wash. the detergents that you need. There are some detergents that are not good for your clothes or for your hand. I'll be letting you in on all that in subsequent videos to come. Okay, so you wash, you dry. That's if you have the space, then you take it to the person to iron for you, and after ironing you go and carry your clothes back, and then you sort it out the way you have tagged it. It's as simple as that. This is the nylon that you need to make it very flashy. And then already in your shop you have shelves, okay, where you can keep the clothes that are already ready for collection. And then after all this, sit on your sewing machine and keep doing whatever you are doing. So that way you are getting money from two sides. I want to believe that I've encouraged somebody. If you need more information, let me know. I don't want you to say, oh, because you are not getting money, oh, you are becoming frustrated. I see a lot of people chatting me up on my DM, for financial assistance. But how many can I do? How many can I do? So you find out that it's the little that I can do. And then I give out free information online so that you go sort it out yourselves. Make una dey tell me thank you for all this information wey I dey give una. Make una dey tell me thank you. Thank you guys for watching. Any other information, I want to believe that I have helped the little that I can. Any other information that you need, put it in the comment section. I will definitely do a video to that effect. Okay, so let's go back to our tutorials. I love you guys, baje baje. I love you so much. I love you to the moon and back. Thank you for watching. Mwah, mwah, mwah.